Hello and welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. Today I'm doing a bit of a different type of video. I don't even know if I've done a video like this before, but it's kind of it's not kind of, it's a behind the scenes video. I am busily working on three ephemera kits, and I thought it would be fun to kind of show you what it's like behind the scenes. So today I'm working on cleaning up some of the vintage scans that my daughter and I did over the weekend, and it's going to be for new ephemera kits. This isn't a tutorial in Photoshop. This is just kind of showing you what I do while I'm working on cleaning things up. This has been a really good push. I've been collecting these items for a really long time, and I recently decided, okay, I really just need to start scanning them and saving them and start creating some kits. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so on the screen now is a vintage postcard that I'm cleaning up. I go over it and I get some of if there's scuffs or cracks. Depends. Sometimes I leave them, but sometimes I take them out. Just kind of depends. So I'm cleaning that up, and then I have also been removing the greetings so that it doesn't necessarily have to be for birthday or Christmas. Just can be a generic type of card. So I've been doing that, and I tend to brighten the item because it gets a little dingy from wear and tear, so a little bit brighter so that when it prints, it looks really nice. And then here I am removing the focal point of the postcard, which is the vase with the red and yellow flowers, and I'm going to make it a fussy cut that I will add to a fussy cut page in the digital. And once you do that, you have to clean up the edges around what you've cut out. So that's what I'm zooming in and doing here. I think it's really fun to take a piece like the postcard and then make several pieces from it. So it could be the fussy cut flowers, maybe the text is separate, just kind of fun to make multiple pieces from one postcard. If that makes sense. Then once it's all cleaned up, then I save it and put it in my to be used type of file. I've been saving them in two different formats so that I can do different things with them in the future. Here I'm removing the greeting at the bottom and some other scuffs, so I'm getting rid of those. And then, yeah, then I'll save it, and there's my cleaned up postcard. Here, I'm taking another piece and it has a big rip out of it. So I'm just going to clean it up and cut off that ripped edge and clean up the corner to make it look rectangle again. And I clean it up with the words and brighten it a bit. So yeah, then it's a rectangle. And this one's an interesting one. The little boy is ripping off the cover of this portrait. It's kind of an interesting postcard. Actually, I think it's a trade card. And there's my corner all cleaned up. Yeah, to clean up my corner, I copied the corner in the right and then pasted it on the left, and then removed some of the smudges so that it didn't look exactly. But yeah, I cleaned it up, and I'm liking how this one turned out. This postcard, I wasn't sure if I could get it cleaned up that much, but it worked pretty well. And I do end up cutting the girl out of the postcard and making her a separate image, which is pretty fun. I love that ribbon that on her dress. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, I did manage to get this one pretty cleaned up. It was kind of a mess. So yeah, and here I am gonna cut her out of the postcard and make her a fussy cut. Here I'm working on another postcard. The girl with the pail, super cute, super cute. So she's just gonna stay as a postcard. Yeah. So I think I'll get back to working making these kits. Hoping to have them finished really soon. And let me know if you'd like to see more behind the scenes or if you found this really boring. If you're interested, I could attempt to try and film it in a different way. I don't know if this was the best way. I thought like looking over my shoulder kind of, but maybe it needs to be closer. I don't know. If you're this far in the video, let me know what your thoughts are. And as always, have a wonderfully crafty day. I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.